In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Jar of Flowers bundle. So here's my card. It's nice and simple. I started off with a stitched rectangle die, and I'm going to be using some black ink. And I'm going to start by stamping the flower. Make sure that's all inked up really nicely. So I'm going to stamp this towards the top. And then I'm going to stamp the jar. I'm going to stamp it pretty close to the flowers. And then I'm going to stamp the stems. I'm going to stamp them all the way up to the top. Here is the stamp set and the punch. These make up the bundle. The punch obviously punches out the jar here, and then you've got a variety of flowers to choose from. This is also a reversible stamp set, so you can stamp either side of the jars and of this striped line here. So that's fun to have that available as well. Then I did some coloring with some of the in color blends. I've got Just Jade, and I always forget this one. This is Magenta Madness and Misty Moonlight. So I colored the stems with Just Jade and all the leaves. And then I colored the roses with Magenta Madness. I think it should be Marvelous Magenta. Marvelous Magenta. I like the sound of that. Wonder why they didn't consult me when they created these names. I think these should also be Magenta. And then the other two flowers right here I did in Misty Moonlight. Really pretty. So I start with the darks kind of on the insides to create some shadows. And then I come back with the lighter color and blend it all in. And then I can come back with the darks and add more dark areas if I want to. I really enjoy coloring with the blends. They are just so smooth, and it's just really easy because there's light and dark. Don't have to worry about figuring out which color goes with what. I can just color. So I have one already colored here. And this is the Flowers for Every Season paper that is part of the Flowers for Every Season suite that the Jar of Flowers bundle is a part of. And it's got flowers from every season: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Let's see, where's the winter one? There's some winter there and there. So I'm just gonna use some adhesive, cue this up. And this is Misty Moonlight. I think it's so pretty. And then I'm gonna wrap some of this Misty Moonlight and silver twine around my stitched rectangle. And tie a knot first. Make it easier for me to tie a bow. Just a nice little bow here. And then I'll trim off this little edge piece. And then I'm going to add some dimensionals. and just place this in the middle of the card. And there I have my jar of flowers card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my blog posts online on my website, elainescreations.net. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.